Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this type of E9 error code on your Hisense air conditioner, and I'm also going to explain to you what this particular error actually does or why it actually occurs. So the E9 error usually means that the air conditioner has entered a protection mode. On many of the Hisense models, it is basically related to the indoor water drainage problem or the full condensate drain tray. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is you need to simply start inspecting the drain hose. So if it is kinked, if it is blocked or clogged with dirt, water can't drain properly. That can basically cause the E9 error. So using if you are using a split system, you just have to flush the drain pipe with the clean water, or you can also use a wet or dry vacuum in order to remove the blockage. Now, a clogged drain is also one of the most common causes of this particular error. Now, after fixing the drainage issue, you just have to simply press this power button on top of your remote in order to basically turn the AC off completely. Then you just have to do nothing but to just simply wait for at least 1 minute. And after 1 minute, you just have to turn it on back. So if the blockage was the cause, the E9 error could basically disappear automatically. So that's how you can basically fix it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.